Good evening, sir. This is Hasni of 10th Olympiad. I am here to speak a few words about my country, my pride. India is our country. It is one of the oldest civilizations in the world, spanning a period of more than 4,000 years and witnessing the fusion of several customs and traditions which are reflective of the rich culture and heritage of the country. The history of the nation gives a glimpse into the magnanimity of its evolution from a country reeling under colonialism to one of the leading economies in the global scenario within a span of 50 years. More than anything, the nationalistic fervor of the people is the contributing force behind the culmination of such a development. This transformation of the nation instills a sense of national pride in the heart of every Indian within the country and abroad. In this section is the modest attempt at keeping its flame alive. India is a unique country with diversity. Unity in diversity is main slogan of my country, India. India is known for diversity in region, diversity in languages, diversity in food, diversity in clothes, diversity in festival, diversity in states, diversity in everything which uniquely represents country and its people. India is a republic country which is for the people, by the people and from the people. People rule its country, people choose their own leader and people are independent of doing everything. India is a country where people are changed according to location. Every state has its incredible beauty of heritage as well as nation. Every state has its own religion story. Different regions of India. North region. North region consists of Himalayas, Kashmir which is heaven of India. They have their own region temples. It consists of Punjab, Uttar Pradesh which is mainly known as land of Krishna, land of Ram, land of love, Taj Mahal, land of color, land of monuments and heritage. Punjab is a state known for king of farms. It is incredible to see this with different colors. East region. East India is an area consisting of Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Seven Sisters, West Bengal, and also the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. West Bengal's capital, Kolkata, is the largest city of this section. The Kolkata metropolitan area is the country's third largest one. The states of Odisha and West Bengal share some intellectual and linguistic characteristics with Bangladesh. West region. The western part of India is incredible due to Arabian Sea and deserts. Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra are three most incredible places. Western India compromise of the states of Goa, Gujarat and Maharashtra along with the Union Territory of Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli of India. More or less, Western India is bound by the Thar Desert in the northwest, the Vindhya Range in the north and the Arabian Sea in the west. A large segment of Western India shares the Deccan Plateau with South India. Gujarat is state where lions reside in Girs. Rajasthan is a place of kings, fighters and real heritage which is also known for its desert. Maharashtra is known as land of God. Southern India. South region is known for their cultural festivals, languages and foods. People are religious and believe in God. It is also known as land of Nawabs. The people generally are of black tone and are known for coconut and rice items. South India is a peninsula in the shape of an upturned triangle bound by the Arabian Sea on the west, by the Bay of Bengal on the east and Vindhya and Satpura ranges on the north. Thank you.